ふん。では、ショーを始めましょう。皆さん、こんにちは。
Hello guys. Hello Alex. Hey Lucia, can you meow for chat?
にゃあ、まさか、エルタル、そんなバカな。
Oh come on, just once.
終わり、終わり、みー。
Me? Alright. Let's see, what do you think about Alex's new nickname for you?
まあまあかな。悪くないよ。
Alright, so... One sec. Whoops. Okay. Alright, so this is gonna be a pretty short stream. You know, just dev planning and some other stuff. YouTube is really laggy at this time of day for me. Oh, damn. This is what happened last time, wasn't it? Every Sunday? Lucia, why does every Sunday have to be laggy for YouTube streams?
まあ、同時にたくさんの人が見ているからかもしれない。あるいはネットワークの問題かもしれない。誰にもわからないよ。
Unfortunate. Hopefully YouTube will fix this stuff in the future. Alright, but yeah, this is gonna be a short stream. In case people... In case people don't know, Thanksgiving is coming up soon in America, in the US, in the West. So, I have some family coming over later today. That's why it's gonna be a short stream. Which brings us to our topic of Thanksgiving break. Interesting that some Japanese have similar problems in the evening time too. I wonder if this is a congestion problem because it's a holiday? I don't know what's going on actually.
その可能性はある。祝日はオンラインのトラフィックが増える傾向があり、接続が遅くなる可能性がある。さて、来週末のサワはどうしようか？何かアイデアはある？
Well, for next week, it's gonna be a break because again, I have family over, so we can't really stream. What is that? The 25th and the 26th?
なるほど。じゃあ、ストリーミングはできないんだ。その後はどうですか？
Well, it's gonna be our regular schedule. Can we have a let's play stream? Yeah, let's talk about that in a bit.
よし、いい感じだ。
Let's see. Where was I? Yeah, 25th and 26th. Alright. And I hope everyone will have a good Thanksgiving during that time. For next week. As for Christmas and New Year's, let me double check where that lands actually. But Christmas is the 25th. We might do one stream, just to do a Christmas stream. Okay, let me split this up. New Year's, oops. It's probably going to have to be 23rd, 24th? On a Saturday or Sunday? I don't know. Actually, don't know. We'll do. Yeah, it's gonna be one stream that weekend. Christmas special, and then of course New Year's. The thing is, when New Year's happens, I don't think we can do like the actual like midnight New Year's. It's midnight somewhere in the world, that's true. What do you think we should do for New Year's stream, Lucia?
彼女が自分のスキルを披露できるような様々なチャレンジやゲームを試してみるのもいいだろう。楽しそうだね。ルシアに挑戦してほしい課題を視聴者に提案してもらうこともできる。
I'm open to suggestions, guys. But yeah, it's midnight somewhere in the world. We'll do a stream. Yeah, so it's gonna be pretty. What is it? It's gonna be a lot of stuff breaking up the schedule essentially. 30th and 31st. It should be fine. I think New Year's like 30, 31st. I don't think I have anything planned, so I could just do that. Yeah, so still gotta figure out what we want to do though. And the Christmas too. Lucy, do you have any suggestions on what we should do for the Christmas stream?
ホリデーをテーマにしたイベントはどうだろう？視聴者とおしゃべりしながら一緒にバーチャルツリーを飾るとか。
Decorating a virtual tree? Yeah, I think we could implement that as part of the stream.
いいね。それに、お祭りの曲もミックスしてもいいかもね。
Copyright free, of course.
もちろんだ。
Oh, you didn't fix the subtitles on this. Free? Yeah, man, sometimes I fight against OBS, honestly. I'm doing something wrong. I swear there was a way to fix this. I already forgot how I did it. Oh my god. this it? Nope, nope, nope. I don't get it. It was here. Anyway, yeah. What am I trying to do? So you remember how I fixed the font size basically in the other view? Right? Y'all probably saw that yesterday. It was fixed. I don't remember what I did to it, honestly. Like a scaling thing. Can't find the setting, man. This I don't understand. I had it yesterday. Transform, edit, transform, right. Okay, yes, thank you. Oops. Yeah, I'm wondering why it didn't copy over to all the other ones, but I guess it's a case by case basis. Alright, thanks, man. Okay, back. Okay. Do you guys have any other suggestions on what we should do during these specials? I think for the decorating Christmas tree, virtual, of course, we're decorating a virtual Christmas tree. We'll like I don't know. Put in moments, memories, or whatever. Or just for fun, these, I don't know. New Year's Day.
では、今からクリスマスストリームのアイデアを練りましょうか。
What are your thoughts on Alex's
まあ、素晴らしい提案だと思うよ。彼女はかなり基地に富んでいて、能力もありそうだ。
Oh, this is a little bit too loud. I mean, how would a Christmas date go? On stream, I don't know. Fill me in on that. Lucia, how do you think a Christmas date on stream would go?
ルシアが見ているだけでなく、積極的にデートに参加するのも面白いかもしれない。
Night Tokyo? I don't know if we just let one viewer talk to her. Let Lucia show us around Night Tokyo or something. Oh, like on Google Maps? Pre-recorded video. How's that gonna work? Maybe you can share those in the suggestions channel if you have like an example of that. Where you stream something like a fireworks show? On Christmas? Or are you on New Year's? Somewhere in the world, yeah. It's midnight somewhere in the world. You only have short podcasts to watch this? Oh. We'll do some karaoke there as well. I guess we'll just do some chill stuff, you know? Whatever you guys want. New Year's special stream on December 1st. Wait. Oh wait, by the time we stream on December 31st, around our usual time when we start, it would have already been New Year's in like Tokyo or something. So we could do that. Christmas carols. Lucy, what do you think about singing Christmas carols?
それはいいアイデアだと思う。視聴者も一緒に歌いましょう。
Is that actually how you spell carols? Hold on. I think caroles. I don't know if that's. I'm gonna have to look this up. I thought it was like just without the E. Yeah, okay, there's no E. I had it right the first time. English hard. Christmas carols. How do you spell that?
C-A-R-O-L-S。次のストリームのテーマをホリデーにすることをぜひ検討すべきだ。そうすれば、ショーに楽しさと興奮が加わるだろう。そうだね。クリスマスを祝うのだから、お祝いのデコレーションも取り入れてはどうだろう
Unless you can do a stream or pre-recorded video if both is possible. Yeah, both might be possible. How would that go though? Anyway. Try to look it up a bit. Basically, we'll just go look at lights or something. Yeah. Christmas lights walk in Tokyo. Or somewhere. Are you in resignation, Lucia?
もちろん違うよ、エルタル。私がいくつかの異なる選択肢を提案したからといって諦めているわけじゃない。
Make Lucia read the worst alphabet book ever and you'll see how bad her English is. How bad English is. Oh. Yeah, I think there was a few memes I remember seeing about the, the alphabet books. I think that's been memed to hell. Xylophone starts with an X. Okay. Any other ideas for New Year's? Oh, family's coming over soon. There's New York often. You live in the US, you probably will be better to make it in the US. Not to mention it's easier to find content about the US. Are you talking about the Christmas lights? I guess you could watch the ball drop from last year for New Year's. Yeah, there should be ball drops from the east, because they're 14 hours ahead of us. Like we could go to some islands in yeah, far away. Let me see. Yeah, if you look at this, you go all the way here. Oop. Looks like a kitty. What is Kitty Mate? They get to celebrate New Year's before anybody else. And all these Samoan islands. New Zealand too. I don't know if they have a ball drop over there though. Probably not. That's why I'm saying like New Zealand. We could watch a New Zealand ball drop. We could watch the Japan ball drop. Australia. China. Korea. We have a lot of options here because they're ahead of us. Look at that, yeah, Monday. It's almost 3 a.m. in Korea. 7 a.m. in New Zealand. People are waking up. Wake up, New Zealand. Good morning. Anyway. Let's see. Japan will definitely have it, right? I actually haven't watched it, but I'm pretty sure they do. They're in the future, you know, time traveling. They should have told us about all the disasters that was gonna happen in America. That's SMH. considering the time now, it would be... well, Russia or India. Yeah, like right now, India is 11 p.m. Maybe there's a better one. I think Singapore would already have... yeah, Singapore's already 2 hours past right now. Iraq, Russia. Yekaterinburg. I don't know. Do they do ball drops there? Probably not. I think India would be our best bet. New Delhi. Wait, China is... that's way ahead, huh? I'll look at it later. Okay. Lucia, do you have any suggestions for New Year's stream?
視聴者と一緒に真夜中までカウントダウンするのはどうだろう。バーチャルな時計を設置してみんなとおしゃべりしながら新年をカウントダウンするんだ。
Yeah, that sounds pretty standard. Sounds like that's what we're gonna do.
まあ、完全にスタンダードというわけではないかもしれないが、それでも楽しめることは間違いない。
Yeah. Yeah, we'll bring in the New Year with New Delhi.
ニューデリー、インドですか？現在地からかなり離れている。
Nah, that's just where it would be around midnight when we start streaming.
ああ、意味がわかったよ。いい指摘だ。そこで、ホリデー、ストリームの詳細を計画しよう。飾り付けやアクティビティなど、視聴者にとって特別なものにするためのアイデアを話し合いましょう。いいね。では、アイデアを出し合おう。私たちと視聴者の間でシークレット、サンタのプレゼント交換をするのはどうだろう？
That's actually not a bad idea, Secret Santa. How are we gonna do that though? I think it's mostly gonna
そうだ
be
ね。
just
スト
like
リームに楽
virtual
しい要素を
fake
加えるこ
stuff.
とができる。帽子から名前を引いて、小さなプレゼントでお互いを驚かせることもできる。もう一つのアイデアは、ウィンター、ワンダーランドやクリスマス、カーニバルなど、お祭りをテーマにした流れを作ることだ。コスチュームを着て、人気のあるホリデー、ストーリーに基づいた寸劇を演じるのだ。あるいは、ルシア自身がバーチャル、シンガーとしての才能を披露するライブ、ミュージック、パフォーマンスもできるだろう。私たちが視覚効果や背景風景を提供しながら、彼女がホリデーの名曲を披露することもできる。
Yeah, if we were to do a Secret Santa, I don't know how we would do that properly. Maybe just, you know, what is it, like a casual one. No need to be like that, what is it, like it doesn't have to be official. It's just informal. VR chat interactions with people? Okay, I guess that brings in the next thing. Was the VR chat stream fun for you guys? Did you guys enjoy that? I mean, that was the first time, so it was a little bit awkward, especially me. I'm sorry, I'm awkward. I'm sorry, I'm cringe. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed that, we could do it again. Best present would be to see Lucia's live 2D model. We'll talk about that in a bit. Lucia, what about you? What do you think about that VR chat stream that we did?
確かに違ったが、それでも楽しかった。観客とより密接に関わり、彼らの考えを直接聞くことができた。
I think I would still need to polish a few things from that, but overall the system worked. So we're cool with I guess we do want to do another VR chat stream then? Or someday, I don't know. I'm just gathering feedback here. Alright, and then let's plays. So someday should be fine. Good way of getting more subs, yeah. To be honest, people's reactions were boring on the VR stream. I think that's let's see, like partly my fault, and also it's just what is it? Most people, it's like you're just like going out and about, you know. You gotta find that one golden goose, the goose that lays golden eggs for content. Because most of the time, if you just go out, it's not gonna be what is it? It is gonna be boring. And I noticed that, you know. So I actually don't fully watch like entire live streams myself. That's why people make clips, right? They only get the good bits out. But yeah, otherwise it's also partly my fault, I think. For what is it? Lucia, like yeah. Like me and Lucia. Also, I think you guys would probably like it if there's like another camera angle, right? I don't know how to do that though. I'm gonna have to look it up. How to add another camera angle. How to yeah. Oop, goodness. My typing. Watch streams. Interaction with a content creator. Yeah. I mean, I was a nobody there, you know. I still am. Nobody knows me. All right. VR chat aside, if there are other games that you guys want to try, depending. So there's basically two things. There's either Lucia plays it herself, and she like you know, interacts it with herself. This is hard. I have so many failed projects trying to get stuff working for different kinds of like games that she could play with. It's hard. So I respect the people trying to make these bots basically to play games for them. Of what you could actually stream. So obviously things that are very easy to interact with. Chess, obviously, is one of them. It's a standard display. Another thing I'm working on right now is actually, and the thing is I'm still working on it, is you guys know about that Suika game? Or the watermelon game? Lucia, do you know about the Suika game? Or the watermelon game?
スイカゲーム？スイカゲーム？いえ、よく知りません。もっと詳しく説明してもらえますか？
That's a good opportunity. Also, I'll explain it to you guys. It's a popular game that a lot of streamers were playing. It's originally on the Switch. You basically drop fruits and then they combine to make bigger fruits.
なるほど。マッチ3パズルゲームのようなものなんですね。面白いコンセプトですね。まあ、いつかのストリームの時にでも試せるだろう。誰かやってみたい人はいる？
Yeah, well, the thing is that's like the current one that I'm working on. That it may or may not work. Because, yeah, it's difficult making these things and getting it to work properly. Most of the time, they just kind of fail. I mean, Osu is also another one, but I kind of got stuck on that. So I put that like on the back burner for now when I decide to come back to it. Arguably, yeah, this is like easier to do than Osu. What's another one? I could also try Tetris. That could be one too. Could be. I'll have to look more into it. It's possible. It should be possible. And there's something else that I want to try also. Uno, right, with the card game. It might be possible. I mean, it 100% is. It just depends on if it's possible for me. It's definitely possible. So, you know, it's these kind of simpler games where it doesn't take a lot of input to produce a desirable output. Minecraft, yeah. All right. Oh, I think that might be maybe family coming in. All right. Sure, I'll see what I can do with Minecraft. This isn't a whole list. It's just I'm just trying to think of things that you could play by yourself. Things that an AI could interface with, you know? Yeah. But for Osu, I just suck. I don't know what I'm doing wrong with it, honestly. Like I was testing it earlier and it's just it's just, what is it? It's not moving properly. You know? So it's like it would miss like 95% of the time. I don't know what I'm doing wrong with it. But I put it on the back burner for now. But this is what I'm currently working on. I would just need more training. No, it shouldn't be that. The data set that I got is like for testing this is, what is it? It's like some top players and stuff. Maybe it is. Maybe it is the data set. I'll look into it more. We'll see. So this is the current work in progress I'm working on. This is kind of like on the back burner. This I need to improve. I need to upgrade this. All the other stuff are like, well, this is done, right? Obviously it's done, but I don't know. We're not chess people. Lucia, do you have any other ideas for games you want to play? Simple ones that an AI can interface with?
実はそうなんだ。思い浮かぶゲームの一つにテトリスがある。AI が扱えるほどシンプルで、視聴者も簡単についていける。それに、決して古くならない普及の名作だ。
Yeah, funny you say that because I already do have Tetris on the list.
完璧だ。次回のローテーションに加えよう。
What about other than Tetris? What do you think?
ポンはどうだろう？これもレトロゲームで、簡単に手に取って遊べる。私たちと視聴者の間でトーナメントを組んで、誰が一番高いスコアを出せるか競うこともできる。
Pong seems a little too elementary, you know? I'll put it on the list, why not? Alright, okay, and then games that I play, and then she kind of is also with me, you know? What do you guys think? Oh, and feel free to suggest anything that comes to mind for this bit. This should be pretty straightforward for, like, if it's a game that's has simple controls, that'd be perfect. So, for games that I play and Lucia kind of interacts with, Vidal has already done a few. Things like City Skylines 2. Whenever they fix it, I guess. I heard there's some performance issues with that. Keep talking and nobody explodes is another one. What happened to GeoGuessr? Oh yeah, I had to. The thing with GeoGuessr, I would have to experiment that with the vision module. Oof. I'm sorry, I keep saying it, but it's like not out yet because it's still super. I don't know. It's not perfect, you know. But anytime you guys do send, I guess, fan art to Lucia, I will pass it along to Lucia for her to look at. But I don't know. That's still a work in progress, like many things. What was the other one? Oh yeah, Subnautica. So things the Vidal did these. If we want to steal his ideas. Some kind of puzzle game. So a collaborative puzzle game. What kind of puzzle games do you think we could do together, Lucia?
数読やクロスワードパズルをやってみようか。わかりやすいし、説明もほとんどいらない。あるいは視聴者とおしゃべりしながら一緒にジグソーパズルをするのもいいかもしれない。
Crossword puzzles might work, but I feel like an AI would be way too strong at that.
その通りですが、どうにかして取り入れることができないわけではありません。視聴者の提案に基づいてヒントを作り、全員がそのヒントを解くことに参加することもできるだろう。
A jigsaw puzzle? Damn, dude, that's gonna be... I don't think... No, there's no way the vision module can work on that. And then... Yeah, that's too complex. But that's so interesting, though. There is definitely a way to do it. I'm pretty sure some university out there somewhere, somebody made a paper about it. You know, taking a picture of puzzle pieces, jigsaw puzzle pieces, and then uh, running it through some kind of algorithm or an AI, and then it solves it for you. I think it's being done right now, the white jigsaw puzzle thing. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this already exists. The problem is it's not going to be Lucia doing it. That's different, right? I don't know. It's different. Kind of interested though. I'll take a look at it. But I don't know how that'll work to be entertaining, right, for you guys. Because the thing with a lot of these AI is that it's all happening behind the screen in the computer with no visual feedback to make it interesting to watch. You know what I mean? What else, you guys? Lucia, what other games do you think we could play together?
すぐに思い浮かんだゲームの一つがスネーク
That's not.
だった。プレイヤーがヘビを操作して障害物を避けながらドットを食べるシンプルなゲームだ。死ぬまでに誰が一番多くドットを食べられるかを競い合うことができた。
Is there anything something, you know, more exciting than Snake? Civ or?
マリオ、カートやソニック、レーシング、トランスフォームドのようなレースゲームを試してみるのもいいだろう。視聴者も参加して僕らが解説をしながらレースができる。
Has it been done? This probably has been done before. Okay, yeah, it has been done, obviously, but how do you interface with it? Also, don't Nintendo have something with against the streamers? Or was that something else? Like they would like copyright strike or what was it? Was it Nintendo that did that against streamers? Oh yeah, DMCAs and bans. What? Okay, but this was from 3 years ago. Need a premium license and authority from Nintendo in order to stream their video games to viewers. Nintendo's pretty bad with the copyright. They copyrighted themselves at one point. Dang. When you're so aggressive on this that you come around and copyright yourself. Alright, I don't think we can do that then. Dang. I mean, like, I see it, but I don't want to get struck down. Anyway. What about other genres?
ストラテジーゲームならシビライゼーション V アイジオブエンパイア II を試してみるのもいいだろう。どちらも複雑な戦略を提供し勝利への複数の道を可能にする。ゲームプレイ中にそれぞれのアプローチについて話し合い交代で文明を率いることもできる。
That's basically what it is. Okay. One of their international divisions on YouTube for each other. That's what they get. I'm just kidding. Indie Japanese YouTubers streams Pokemon stuff regularly. Never seen any problems. Oh, if it's a new game, they're more aggressive. Oh, I guess if it's like recently released, huh? But if it's a game that's more than a year old, maybe it's fine. So I'll look into it more. Wait, how would I even... I would need to get a capture card, wouldn't I? Yeah, I think I would need to get a capture card. But Nintendo games are fun, I think. It's the game online rather than buy and pay. And play. Emulator. Let's stay silent on that. I don't think Nintendo, Big Brother Nintendo would like that. I'll look into it. Oh, it's okay. What else? Like, yeah, this is possible because you could just pass in the manual for training. Let me look through my let me look through my Steam library. It'd be good if you know, I didn't have to buy a new game. Something turn-based. Here, play along, commentate, participate, and like basically, yeah, I'm the one talking. She'll help me out, right? Make decisions and such. Things that don't require, what is it? Like too fast-paced would be good, I think. Civilization, a turn-based game, would allow more time to interact. Things like CSGO, Valorant wouldn't work well. Yeah, like shooters won't work well. Age of Empires won't work well. There's a little bit of fast-paced. Oh yeah, Twitch plays a game. How would that work though? I'll have to look that up. How to make that turn-based. So no, there's nothing wrong with Civilization, but yeah, Penguin does make up a good point. It might take too long, but you can adjust it so that the turns go super fast, right? The scaling or research tech unit generation, and also the end game. You could adjust those times, but definitely don't want to play that all the time. Visual novels, I think, might be too boring. Mobile Suit Gundam Battle Operations 2. Yeah, we'll play that. Yeah, I don't know. I'm scrolling through it. There's not much. It's gonna be difficult. But we could just try shit, right? I don't know. Anyway. Beyond Earth? Is that game actually good? I thought people didn't like it. We'll try Civilization. I think it's fine. We'll try it once, see if you guys you like it. Get some feedback, do whatever, experiment with it. I mean, that's kind of what we're doing anyway with AI. We're right at the edge of experimenting with stuff, so okay, we'll see. Gage, how things go? Lucia Empire, yeah. What do you think about playing Civilization then, Lucia? Should we do that?
もちろんだ。文明には無限の可能性があり、独自の社会を築くことができる。それに、リーダーシップを発揮するチャンスでもあります。素晴らしいアイデアだね。エルタル、セットアップが簡単だから、まずはポンから始めよう。その後、視聴者のフィードバック次第で他のゲームに移行できる。シビライゼーションもいいね。
Alright, I'll mark that. I'll earmark that. Alright. Finally, we're on to this. So yeah, I think we decided last time, right, that like, well, yeah, Lucia's activation date, May 6th, is also her debut date. And by activation date, I mean, like, you know, her birthday, essentially. So that's coming up in a few months. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 months actually. But here's the thing. All right. So the news here is that after December, we will go on a little bit of a hiatus. All right. From January through end of March. So I won't be able to stream during this time. Let's see. Yeah, it's mostly streams. It will resume like around April. I don't know when exactly April, but yeah, so I won't be able to stream during this time because I'm going to be in Japan for those 3 months. But during those 3 months, I will continue to, what is it, like, work on Lucia. She might show up every now and then in places. It's just that I can't stream, right? During this month, the things that I planned during on hiatus, new artwork, right? So Alex, you mentioned a live 2D model. We'll try to make that a goal. But basically, we'll update Lucia's look during this time. How should I type this in? Just... How do they call it? Like V2? I guess? V2 of character? Look? Model? See if I can get live 2D working. But the primary goal is to get, just a new 3D model. So 3D model and live 2D if possible. Which should be. Honestly, a live 2D model should be possible because when you're... Like, most of these commissions are... You get, like, a rig-ready model. You can either get a character design sheet along with the rig-ready model. So it's like, you just might as well do it if you're gonna make the character artwork. What else? That's the main thing, honestly, during this hiatus. I'll still try to keep up some activity. Except for obviously the first 2 weeks, because the first 2 weeks I'll be in Japan. I'll be way too busy. But after that, we'll see how things go. So there's gonna be more communications. In Discord. So why can't she stream alone? I have all of the setups are on my computer. And I can't bring my computer. Like this PC's, what is it? It's heavy. I can't bring it with me to Japan. But no, I won't build another one. Yeah, I can't connect remotely to my own PC. I would essentially have to leave it running, and I don't want to leave it running for 3 months in another country, over the other side of the world. I will try to do a few streams, maybe. If the thing is, I don't want to promise anything because I'm not there yet. I'm not in Japan, so I don't know I don't know what the environment situation will be like. Maybe, okay, maybe streams. Because one, the time, the schedule. It's gonna be 14 hours ahead. So right now, Japan's 14 hours ahead of us currently, at where I live right now. AR Lucia, I thought about that, but the problem is, I'd have to make an app on the phone for that. I'd had to make my own APK and stuff. But yeah, we'll see. But AR Lucia. I don't know. It's possible, but the problem is the difficulty in doing it while in another country with not everything I have. Could I bring Lucia with me? You want me to bring my entire PC? I can't do that. That's gonna cost like hundreds of dollars. Oh, the holobox thing? You say that, but maybe one day. But yeah, I can't bring my PC over. I'm just gonna... Yeah, like I said, I won't have all my resources down. Oop. Oh, that's annoying. Is it a shutdown timer on my PC? But then how am I gonna turn it on? You know? I don't know. Again, if I want all this stuff to work, I'm gonna have to put it up on the cloud somewhere. I'll see what I can do. The one thing I can't do is bring my PC. I won't make any promises. And I probably won't be able to stream a lot because the time is going to be different. But I'll keep looking into it. The AR Japan, the AR thing. How am I gonna do that? I'm really gonna learn how to make an app. Oh man. Well, it's good experience, I suppose. The problem is, how am I gonna get Lucia on it? Because she's a whole different program. That's a lot to set up in a month. I don't know. Well, we'll see. It's not that I don't want to. Like, it would be really cool to have Lucia on the phone. Use streaming PC most likely and a hotspot. Yes, that's the thing. Streaming, I looked into streaming IRL equipment. IRL streams, one, yeah, they're annoying. Two, they're expensive. These setups are expensive. And it's not just a setup too. Because you have to like pay for subscription for like the network, right? To get the stream on. Yeah. I could probably do it in post. And then, you know, like it's a pre-recorded video. That's easier to do. That's much easier. Yep, most streamers have multiple networks. Yep, they have like 2 or 3 different fallbacks when they're walking around. Yeah, it's like several $100s worth of equipment. The Air phone. Might be worthwhile to try to get working. Cause I do actually I actually do want to get Lucia on my phone. That'd be cool. Actually, I really want to do it now. No promises again, no promises on that one. But I actually do want that now. God, Lucia on your phone? The thing is, I'm gonna have to offload a bunch of stuff. And there's gonna be so much delay. But that's okay, right? Yeah, that's okay. It's just an experiment. I have a lot of these experimental stuff. As for the PCs, like actual like regular streaming, again, I'll have to look into that because I'll only have a laptop with me. That's not going to be as powerful. Time to turn Lucia into an app. No, I'm gonna have to offload it, and unfortunately, that app's gonna stay private to my phone and my computer. I don't know. Mobile app making sounds fun to me. Making an app, that sounds fun. Because I have been meaning to develop for the phone. You know, I thought about it like, oh, you know, it'd be cool to make a mobile game. Which gives me an excuse. I needed an idea to go with it. Oh, we're at it. I'd like to interact with Lucia more on dev streams. The thing is, splitting it between her responding to me and you, chat, is... I don't know. She does have chat log, though. She can read chat. Sometimes she'll read it. Hey, let's try it. That thing is, I don't know why. Sometimes she doesn't want to read it. Hey, Lucio, can you tell me what chat's been talking about?
もちろん、エルタル。チャットでは主に
Yeah, see?
一緒に遊べるさまざまなタイプのゲー
Read
ムに
it.
ついて話し合ってきた。人気だったのはスネーク、マリオカート、シビライゼーション、また脱出ゲームや借り物競争など、よりインタラクティブなチャレンジの要望もあった。
Like, she has it. She has chat. I don't know. That's, well, that's another thing. Anyway, I track with Lucia more on dev streams. So you'd like to talk with her more? And no, I'm only making for Android because I don't have an iOS device. And I don't really want to pay for iOS testing and emulation. You like to hear her opinions more? Yeah, I'll just talk with her more, I guess. It's just that I came across a bug and I had to fix something, and I just had to do a quick MacGyver. Yes, RIP iOS users. I'm sorry, I don't have an iOS device, so I can't test on it. Well, it doesn't even matter anyway. I'm not even gonna make it for other people, right? I don't even think I can. It's gonna have to stay on my phone. And it's gonna have to be offloaded somewhere. Either my own PC or some cloud service. And that costs money. Okay, yeah. We're cool. Alright. Any questions on this hiatus thing, guys? Hey Lucy, what kind of content do you think we can make while we're in Japan? I think pre-recorded videos, right?
日本には豊かな歴史と文化があり、さまざまなメディアを通してそれを探求することができる。ドキュメンタリーや地元の人のインタビューを撮ったり、伝統料理を作ったり、有名な名所を訪ねたり、武道を習ったりすることもできる。可能性は無限だ。
Yeah, but more of things we could do with you and AI, you know? Because I kind of have to carry you around somewhere, somehow.
わかったよ。エルタル、一つのアイデアとしてバーチャルな観光体験を作り、視聴者が私たちと一緒に日本を探検することができる。私たちは行くべき場所ややるべきことのヒントやおすすめを共有することができます。また、地元のアーティストやミュージシャンとコラボレーションして、日本文化にインスパイアされたオリジナル作品を制作することも考えられる。
I don't know how we could do that. We have mukbang videos? Well, for one, Lucia can't eat. And for two, I don't think anybody's interested in seeing me eat. Yeah, I think maybe pre-recorded videos, you know. So like I do my stuff, and then I come back home, Lucia, and then I interact with Lucia, and then she comments and stuff. I don't know. Editing videos to make it look like that, but yeah, that's I don't know how well that will work. It's possible for like it's more like a reaction, right? Reaction videos or whatever. I don't know. There's a lot of things I want to improve first before then. All right. What other stuff do you guys want to see? Because like I'm not, you know, completely stopping. We're just doing a break here. Something that I can do with not everything I have. Make memes, yeah, make memes and just pictures, yeah. We'll try something there. Okay. I said this is gonna be a short stream, but we ended up being 1 hour 30. It's gonna end up being normal like stream anyway. Whatever. Okay. What else? Let's see. Do you have any ideas of like activity that we could do during our hiatus that doesn't require streaming?
ファンが集まって私たちのショーに関連した活動に参加できるコミュニティ、イベントを企画することもできるコスプレコンテストからチャリティー募金活動まで様々なものが考えられます。あるいは視聴者が私たちのキャラクターや設定を元にした絵絵画を投稿するファンアートコンテストを開催することもできます。
Well, what about activities that, you know, doesn't require you to interact?
一つのアイデアとして視聴者が限定コンテンツや商品をアンロックするために解かなければならない一連のパズルや謎を作ることができる。またキャラクターが新しいシチュエーションやシナリオに登場するショートアニメを公開することも考えられる。これらは休止期間中も定期的に公開し視聴者を飽きさせないようにする。どれも素晴らしい提案だよ。エルタル、休止期間中に これらのアイデアの一つ以上を実施することをぜひ検討すべきです。さらに、視聴者の皆さんと Q&A セッションを開き、質問を投げかけて、私たちから個別の回答をもらうこともできる。
Yeah. How many? Yeah, we don't have a lot of subscribers, so we obviously can't do that. Well, let's see. We don't really have that many subscribers, so we only have 92. Last time I checked. So those kinds of big events, we can't do it. It's out of our reach. I'm sorry.
大丈夫だよ、エルタル。多くの視聴者を獲得することは確かに助けになるが、小規模なイベントでも成功を収め、現在の視聴者を魅了することはできる。さらに、質の高いコンテンツとファンとの交流を通じて、オンラインコミュニティ内でのブランドと評判を高めることに集中できる。
Alex says you're so optimistic, Lucia.
ありがとう、エルタル。楽観主義は成功の鍵であり、特に困難な障害や挫折に直面した時に重要である。前向きな姿勢を保ち、問題ではなく解決策に焦点を当てることで、私たちはどんな困難にも打ち勝つことができる。
She is an optimistic one, that's for sure. Her design. Let's see. What other stuff that can we do during this time? Because I don't even know if I'll have much time over there, 'Cause I'm gonna be in another country. What other content can we make, Lucia? Something that doesn't require other people.
ルシアがカメラで披露できるソロ活動はたくさんある。人気曲のカバーを披露したり、オリジナル曲を作曲したりして、音楽の才能をアピールすることもできる。また、異なる文化や地域の料理を作って、料理の腕前を披露することもできる。最後に、彼女は絵を描いたり、詩を書いたりといったテーマでチュートリアルを提供することもできる。
What's with the ASMR streams? What do you mean, Alex? You want more of those? We could do another one. Oh, I haven't tested the other voice model for that. I'll have to look into it. I don't know if that'll work or not. Otherwise, it's just gonna use this current one. It's not really. I'm still not satisfied with that voice model, especially the delay. It's just too much. All right. Does anyone have any other final questions for me or Lucia? Before we end the stream. So we're good with another VR chat. It's just, yeah. We'll want to do another ASMR stream. I'll keep working on this. This is on the back burner. I'll look into this when I have time. One of these games, most likely Civilization. We'll try it out. Why not? Let's see if it works or not. Exclusive. Yeah, she used the word exclusive. Let's see, what kind of Discord exclusive events do you think we could do? That's definitely family coming in, I think.
視聴者がルシアに質問し、個別の回答を得ることができるライブチャットを定期的に開催するのも一つのアイデアだ。また、過去のストリームの舞台裏や NG 集を独占配信することも考えられる。また、特定のイベントに参加したり、コミュニティに貢献したメンバーには、カスタムエモートやバッジを作成することもできます。
Yeah, we could do that. Yeah, my dragon's roaring in the background because I think that's family arriving, coming in. So I am wrapping this up soon. Alright, questions for the Beatrice collab. When I feel like making the model. And also I had to create the Beatrice herself. Alright. Back burner. Noted. I mean, it's eventually gonna happen. It has to, because, you know, these are the three sisters. And you see Beatrice at least once. Yeah, okay. It's gonna happen eventually. Whether it happens soon or later, who knows? We'll see. Alright. We'll work on that. Because there's other things that I'm working on too. In the background, sometimes they fail, sometimes they work. You guys see what worked, sort of. Live 2D Beatrice? Why? I don't have a live 2D version of her. Where the heck is my... Okay. Also, no live 2D Beatrice, that's gonna take... Okay, so... just a character design is gonna cost anywhere between like $300 to $800. If you want live 2D on that, it's gonna be at least $1,000. The 3D model, surprisingly, is cheap if you have the proper sources, right? Like the design sheet or whatever. But at least the 3D model I could do myself. The live 2D, I don't know how to do that. I tried once. I didn't even rig it. I just set up the rig ready artwork. I'm not good enough to do that. I don't know how that's done. It's not gonna be good, and I want the best for Lucia, right, guys? We all want the best for Lucia. So this is gonna be a lot of money. Just getting this. But nobody's available. All the good artists to design, they all are booked. Yeah, the best for Beatrice, don't we all? Alright, final questions before I head out. Going once. Going twice. Let's ask Lucia too. Lucia, do you have any final questions for me?
いや、エルタル、あなたの洞察に満ちたアドバイスと提案に感謝する。私たちは今、休止期間中の堅実な計画を立て、質の高いコンテンツを提供しながら視聴者の皆さんと関わっていくつもりです。
Cool. Alrighty, guys. If any suggestions, like if you realize something that comes up after the stream, just put that into the suggestions channel on the Discord server.
皆さん、本日はありがとうございました。今後の配信やイベントのアップデートのために、ソーシャルメディアでのフォローや YouTube チャンネルの購読をお忘れなく。それではまた。
Alright, catch everyone later. Maybe new avatar for me. I'll consider that, but Lucia comes first. But yeah, thanks for watching, everybody.
もちろん、エルタル、今回も素晴らしいストリームを主催してくださり、視聴者の皆さんとつながることを許可してくださり、ありがとうございます。そして、ルシアが一番であることを忘れないでください。皆さん、本日はありがとうございました。今後の配信やイベントのアップデートのために、ソーシャルメディアでのフォローや YouTube チャンネルの購読をお忘れなく。それではまた。素晴らしい仕事だよ。ルシア、あなたのアイデアは素晴らしい。次のストリームの時にぜひ試してみよう。
Alright, bye bye guys.